noticed that there are so many comments about how big my eyes are. They wonder how I get my eyes so big, what I use to make them big, what makeup techniques make my eyes big, and again, that my eyes are very big and how do I make them bigger. And we see that big eyes can touch people emotionally or sometimes just like this. So I thought I'd share with you my makeup technique on how I make my eyes big. Let's start. I usually wear circle lenses to make my eyes look bigger. This one with 17.5mm is bigger than the average 14.5mm circle lens. Depending on their design, they have an eye enlarging effect and are available in various styles and sizes. So there's something for everybody. I mostly use eyeshadows in natural tones as green, cream color or brown because they give an effect of deeper set eyes, like of a doll. The lightest color, a cream one with some shimmer, will be applied up to the brow bone. A light color on the brow bone brightens the eyes, so it actually makes you look more awake. The middle tone color is applied from the inner corner, followed by the darkest color. This color arrangement will give an illusion of wider eyes. A small tip: blend black eyeliner in your crease to make your eyes look more deeper. Let's continue with the eyeliner. Line the half of your lash line. Actually, lining the third of your lash line opens your eye, but we are going to work this out later, so keep on watching. Now get your mascara. Apply coat over coat until your lashes are really thick and long. To make it really effective, you'll need to apply false lashes, but really thick and long ones. Another tip: set them a bit off to make your eyes look wider. Finally, apply mascara over the falsies. After all, we want an effect that gets noticed, right? An effective effect. Back to the eyeliner. Thicken a bit more than the half of the line. This will open your eyes, and with this look, it's more effective than lining only a third. A well-known must for bigger eyes is applying light eyeliner on your waterline and inner eye corner. Lashes play an important role in this look, so let's apply lower ones too. And because we never can have enough lashes, we are going to draw them. Use a liquid eyeliner to draw lines that should look like really long lashes. Then just blend them together with a black eyeliner to fit them in. Hey, we're done! for watching my video, and I wish you a lot of fun trying out this makeup. See you in my next video.